All right, what's going on, everybody? So today is August 15th. It's actually 8:06 in the morning, so the market just opened. I'm in Central Time. Yesterday, I didn't get a chance to upload my market close results, but it was a good trading day yesterday. I took 3 trades. I lost 1 trade, and then sorry, I ended up taking 4 trades. I lost 2, and I won 2. That last trade, to be honest, was a very stupid trade, but it is what it is. So don't mind the zones. It's just because I'm actively looking for a setup right now. But anyways, so yesterday we tapped off our 1 hour area of interest where I was looking to take a sell, but there was no entry confirmation up in this level. So I waited for another entry confirmation at the second area of interest here, which we did get. So in the 5-minute time frame, as you can see, we tapped off the first area of interest. We got huge rejections, and then we broke through our second area of interest. So here I this is where I took a sell from, and as you can see, we get tapped into the sell here. We went in, put stops above the swing high, went for a 1 to 3 TP, and as you can see, we definitely hit that. And I was also looking for another sell because we tapped back into our first area of interest here, and we got a nice rejection. We got a bunch of fair value gaps here. I drew up this fair value gap where I wanted to take a trade from. At this point, when you see a bunch of fair value gaps like this, you just have to pick one, to be honest, and see how price reacts in that zone. But price never came back to this fair value gap. It was actually bouncing off of this one here, which I did take a small short from it. And the reason why is because I saw this consolidation here, and it was this candle right here where I took a short from. So I did this. It was just a very, very small, I want something like this, very small. I think it went for like 1 to 1 or 1 to 2.5 or something. It was a very small short scalp. So as you can see, oh, let me delete all this. It was literally like a 1 to 1. So I got out like right there. Yeah, it was like basically like a 1-1. As soon as we came down to this level, I closed the trade, and it was like $1,000 in profit. And then I had 2 wins for the day, but then I saw this. I saw this right here setting up, and I was like, okay, well, there's 2 fair value gaps here. I'm gonna take one. I'm gonna put a box right in the middle of both, and then just average it out. Take a sell from that level, swing high, and then go for a 1 to 3. And the reason why I did this is because we rejected this 1 hour area of interest here. We have a fair value gap here. We're getting another setup from the fair value gap, and then I took the trade. But the only thing is, it wasn't really a very good trade, because if this setup happened underneath our second area of interest, it would have been a better trade. It's literally happening right at a support level on top of our area of interest. So, it was a very risky trade. So I entered the trade. Once it tapped me in, I entered. I went for a sell, stops above, TP below, and you'll see that I get stopped out. So that was a losing trade for the day. And then that was it, actually. Yeah. But today I'm going to be looking for sells again. What I'm looking at for NAS 100, I'm strictly only trading NAS 100 now. I've dedicated myself to just one instrument, just so that way I can keep everything consistent. So let me just forward to today's price action. So today we had news, which is what caused all this huge momentum here. So what I'm looking for is this. I'm still bearish until we completely break and close above this white line here. Once we break above and close above, then I will be bullish. But as of now, I'm still bearish, and we have a 1 hour fair value gap right here that we're tapping into. So I'm definitely going to be looking for sells around this area here. So from this area and this area here, that's what I'm gonna be looking for. I'm gonna be looking for sales off of these areas here. Yeah, US 30, I'll do the analysis for you guys. Same thing. For US 30, to be honest, I'm liking more of buys. Yeah, I'm actually liking buys on US 30 now for for US 30 just because we broke this previous lower high here. So I think we're actively looking for buys, something like this. Yep. Okay, so I'm looking for buys anywhere on these areas here. I'm waiting for price to come back down to this area, and then that way I can go for a buy. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. But who knows? It might not come back to this level. We might get some kind of reaction around this level here. So I might possibly go for a buy. Oh, I'm not going to touch US 30. I'm only touching NAS, but you could. So gold looks like it's selling off. We were bullish. Let's see. Okay, I would still be bullish on gold. I would definitely take buys if you get an entry confirmation here. If not, I would only be bearish if we break and close below this area here, to be honest. I would still be bullish any one of these zones though. Yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, make sure you guys stick around for today. I will be posting a post market close analysis, especially if we get some nice setups today, or I'm just going to be posting one. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, like the video, leave your comments down below, and I'll see you guys later today.